Nestle is the world's largest nutrition, health and wellness company, with more than 2,000 brands across nearly 200 countries, which includes SMA Nutrition in the UK and Ireland. We have the largest food and nutrition research network in the world, with around 30 research and development sites. Our breast milk research takes place in research centres and universities across the globe and is run from our Nestle research team in Lausanne, Switzerland.
We work with scientists that are expert in carbohydrates, scientists that are expert in proteins, in lipids that we include in our team. These are the people who understand the developmental outcomes of the infants, and we work towards the same goal of understanding the composition of milk. One of the things that I'm really proud of is really standardizing all the studies we have at Nestle on human milk characterization, and we have more than 10 internal clinical trials that is ongoing. It is a big feat and it's a big achievement that we are working with the same types of methodologies, not only for sampling but also the analysis across the different studies, so at the end we can compare apples to apples.
One of the latest breakthrough innovation we had in nutrition was the human milk oligosaccharide that we find in the human milk that are not in the cow milk.
Human milk oligosaccharides are complex carbohydrates found in breast milk. HMOs have many specific functions due to their unique structure. For example, HMOs attach to the infant's gut wall and act as a barrier to pathogens. Instead of infecting the infant, the pathogens bind to the HMO molecule, which carries the pathogen out in the infant's stool.
The presence of human milk oligosaccharide in breast milk has been associated with reduced risk of infection in the infant, for example. But we also have a lot of research in understanding other benefits.
I think we're really at the forefront of human milk research, especially in analytics. In the last 2 years, we were able to develop methods that can analyze more than 20 of the human milk oligosaccharides, and it allowed us to go to an understanding of that particular type of molecules in human milk that no one ever achieved so far.
We have been leading baby nutrition research for over 100 years, and during that time have been working to better understand the amazing properties of human milk. We know that breast milk is the best nutrition for babies, which is why we've been researching it for so long and have invested significantly into researching this vital area.
We know it's fundamental to secure a healthy start of a baby's life, and that can have an impact in the long term.
Human milk has been around and has evolved with mammals for millennia, and we have been only looking at human milk for less than a century. We have a lot to learn.
What I hope is that in 100 years of time, we will know human milk to that level that we really completely understand. Why is it such an ideal nutrition and functional nutrition for the babies? And that's what I really hope for the next 100 years, although I'd be retired by then.